guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what is in my fridge. Okay, starting. See, my fridge is full. This is the egg section. All yummy things. See, this is grapes. The inside one is papaya, salads. These are salads. These are my few Naga dishes which I kept. This is ginger garlic paste. I make at home only. And these are the all chutneys. It's all full. See, it's all full. Properly I kept. See, many things are there. Oh God. Actually, this fridge is getting small for me. See. I'm very neat and tidy, you know. See. And these are the fruits, vegetable section. So many vegetables, full of vegetables. Tomato, all the veggies I keep like this because if we keep in polythene airtight, then we can store up to like 1 week nicely. I'm very lazy person to go and pick up vegetables every day. This is the, and here all the cheese, butter. See. Now I'll show you my upper part. It's full of frozen things, non-veg. With kids, you know, you have to keep all these frozen things like chicken nuggets, French fry. This is breast strips, non-veg, all the masalas. It's full. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe me, my channel, like and give comments. Thank you.